Here's how I took this plain Jane Bronco and turned it into this pink superstar. Oh my god, so cute! I'm going to use these caps to go over the dials and knobs in the dash of my Bronco. Clickety click click. Next, I'm going to put in these pink cup holder covers. No spills. Then I'm going to use my trusty Posca markers to pinkify this armrest cover. Look how cute that looks. Smooth and cushy. Then I'm going to change out the valve stem caps with these cool fluorescent pink caps. Snazzy. Now, finally, I'm going to color in the icon, the Bronco icon, on my steering wheel with some pink Posca markers. Just going to color it in. And then I'm going to wipe it down so just a little bit of the pink shows. So I've done a lot of work dopamine decorating the inside of my Ford Bronco. So now I'm going to go on the outside and decorate it with some holographic stars and suns and moons because it's kind of groovy. So here I am, just sticking them on. They're decals that I bought at Amazon. First, you got to prepare the outside by cleaning it off with some alcohol to get rid of all the wax buildup and stuff from car washes. And there you go. Look, it turned out cute. Shiny. Next, I got body armor. For the Bronco, they go over like the edges where rock chips and stuff happen, and I'm just prepping them because black is boring and they're gonna be pink. So I'm sanding them down and getting them ready for the paint. Then I wipe them down with alcohol to get them all clean and get all the gunk off of it, and then I'm gonna spray paint it. Look at this color. This color is amazing. It's so cute. I can't wait to see how it's gonna look. Don't make fun of my painting skills, okay? I'm not good at this. Okay, here they are finished. And then we're gonna put on a bug guard, a carbon fiber looking bug guard thing because I didn't feel like painting it. And Broncos gather a lot of bug juice on the windshield, so a bug guard is needed. And here we go, the bug guard's on and the body armor's on. My husband's installing some side steps for my Ford Bronco, and of course they're pink. A little grumbling and a little fixing, but it worked out pretty quick. I got these on Amazon. This may upset you, but I'm taking off the holographic details. Yep, they're not pink and they need to be pink, so they're going to be pink and we're going to make them pink. I chose these neon pink stars because, well, they're pink and they're bright and they look great against that blue, the really dark blue of the Ford Bronco. And I also picked a really big moon for each side. Oh, look how satisfying that feel is. Oh, but it was hot. It was so hot, y'all. I was sweating. I was getting sweat all in my eyes. And this took forever. I think it took 2 to 3 hours to get everything stuck on there. But look, it's looking really good. I even put some on the tailgate. Is that what you call it? A tailgate on a Bronco? Anyway, look, it looks like the little Bronco is sliding down a star. Cute. Here's the front. For those who care, I got the Badlands Sasquatch package. I know some of y'all really don't care, but. And I came across these braided handles on Amazon, and I thought, hey, I can do that. My husband learned how to do that with a 550 cord in boot camp, so we decided to try it out. So I put that man to work. He's a good man, Savannah. Of course, I picked pink 550 cord. And yeah, so he started braiding in all the handles on my Ford Bronco. Booyah! Oh my god, so cute! Here's the finished product. Gotta pose. Okay, love you. Bye bye. Like and subscribe for more